This is such a beautiful collection of fabric. Y'all know I love fabrics, but this is so beautiful. This is mostly Rachel Comey. There is a theory in here, but Rachel Comey, this is a beautiful 100% cotton. It's a black and white. You can just see the drape. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. A little blouse. It could easily be like a little pair of gathered pants for summer. Just really, really beautiful. Really lovely. Then this is Rachel Comey also. This fabric is just to die for. It is, it's really drapey, it's dense, it's 100% cotton, and you cannot see the beauty of it, but if you're looking for something black that'd be a beautiful little lightweight jacket or blouse, boy, that's the one. And then this is a black and white. It's 100% cotton also. You can see that it's woven, so it's not stamped. So the colors are woven through, the threads are there. It is a woven fabric, beautiful, light, just lovely. A little bit of texture to it, but it's really beautiful. This is 100% cotton knit. Has stretch in both directions. This is your yoga pant, your new leggings, your new t-shirt. It's everything. I mean, it's just the weight is perfect for anything, and we've just got some really good prices on all of these fabrics. You know, we always do. But anyway, this is just a beautiful black, 100% cotton. And this is the last piece of the theory that was the wool silk. This is a stretch woven. And interestingly, these stretch wovens, I don't know how they do it, but they stretch in both directions, which I've never heard that was possible. But obviously they're constantly changing fabrics and constantly doing better. And this is just a beautiful summer red, just absolutely gorgeous. This is a navy. It's a very deep navy. I know you guys will argue it's got a little red pinstripe. You'll argue that it's a black, but it's not, because we have these little tags at sea. It says Rachel Comey on there, and it actually says the color on there. So but it's a very, very deep navy. You know, and even when I put it next to this black, you can see that it's just a navy, not a black, but it's very deep. So this is a poly cotton poly. It is a stretch woven. It has stretch so that the stripes can go up and down. So the stretch is opposite the stripes. Beautiful with that red. Just a jacket, pair of pants would be really lovely. So the goal is, as you know, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.